And then just the way you looked up, it was just like everything was just making me laugh. Like, you looked up like, what are you talking about?
Yeah. How do you mashed potato? Oh. Hey.
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 Why are we goofy?
Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta replot it. A nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I want to say welcome. And if you have been truly subscribed, I want to say welcome back. Okay. I want to say it's my daughter's birthday, 16th birthday. We are going out to eat, and I think I'm sweating, and my battery's about to die. Hold on. We are back and ready and live. So I had to change my battery because it was about to die. But again, like I said, it is my daughter's 16th birthday, and we are going out to eat. And she wanted to go out to Red Lobster, so where we are headed. And yeah, so a little disclosure, we have no AC in our house and we literally are sweating. Like the makeup is melting as we speak. It's draining off my face. But anyway, we're gonna head out to Red Lobster. I'm gonna tag you guys along. I have to do some live stream for Facebook and TikTok. So your girl gotta get her coins. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I can tag you guys along. And try to juggle and multitask all the social media platforms. But see you in the next clip. Bye. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I want to say welcome. And if you have been true subscribed, I want to say welcome back. All right. Okay, so YouTube family. We are here at Red Lobster with my daughter. It is her 16th birthday. She is 16 years old as of today, June 22nd. And we are at Red Lobster eating. We did just put in our order for our food. I'm gonna set you guys up here, but I don't know about how long I'm gonna keep you guys up here because YouTube don't play about the music in the background. Maybe I should put the camera over here. Okay, YouTube and Facebook. Okay. It's giving. She's about that vlogging life. It's giving. It's giving. We about to eat. That's what it's. That's what it's giving. All right, YouTube. Don't get me for this video now. Now it's a little music in the background, but you don't hear it. I can't wait. I can't wait till we go to Florida. I really can't. It's gonna be the best trip ever. Because now that we've been down there, we kind of know. It should be a lot better now.
Yeah.
Keisha was like, she couldn't remember if your birthday was today or July 22nd. I'm like, nope. But at least she had it right, either June 22nd or July 22nd. So
Everybody always thinks it's July and not June.
Because when you think about it, whose birthday is really in June?
Hey.
I've never met nobody whose birthday is in June but you. When I gave birth to you, so.
You're right.
Never had nobody that had a June birthday. It's mostly July. You're a Cancer.
Yeah.
You're my emotional Cancer.
We dance too much.
All right, we're going to have to slow down on this bread.
I know that I'm not eating the last one because
I
gotta hold it.
Because we're going to be full before the meal comes.
All right.
You want my mango smoothie or are you okay?
Huh?
Do you want my mango?
I was looking at it, but I don't know if you still want it.
No, you can have it. And then just the way you looked up, it was just like everything was just making me laugh. Like, you looked up like, what you talking about?
Yeah. How's your mashed potato? Oh. Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
why are we goofy?
Oh.
Wait, what?
How's your mashed potatoes?
Yeah, I need some salt. Everything needs a little bit.
This better make us gain weight.
Man. I don't know where the thing is.
Oh.
Do you want to try? Oh, you have baked potato.
Yeah,
But
well, I
yours-
don't have the filled.
Do you want the filled stuff?
Oh,
Try it.
fine.
Okay. Okay.
If you want some, here, you want to try shrimp?
Oh, thank you. You use it with the
I didn't. Oh,
this tartar sauce?
yeah.
Okay.
It's a little sweet. The shrimp is like kind of like in the middle, so.
Naya, I think I like tartar sauce.
Oh,
This is my first time trying it. I like it. I've never had shrimp with tartar sauce ever in my
neither.
life. The sauce is okay. All right, YouTube family, we are finishing up our food here. Yeah, we're finishing up our food, and then we're gonna head back in the car, probably go grab, well, are we eating dessert here?
No.
All right, YouTube family, we're not eating dessert here. We may eat dessert somewhere else, but we're full, as always. We'll see you in the next clip. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next clip. Peace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's another day. Me and my daughter did enjoy our Red Lobster from yesterday, and today is Friday. And I'm just waking up, about to do a live stream for my Facebook and probably TikTok. But I'm excited about a gift that I bought for $5.99 at our local like clothing store. I got me a desktop ring light for your desk. Love it. Love that. I just feel like as I'm continuing to grow in the social media platform world, I want to also make sure that I have like the equipment to continue to do my live stream and do it hands-free and just become a real life vlogger. My vlogging kit. And then also I do have one that goes up to the floor that's tall length. That was the first one I bought. Got it from the same store, and that was $7. And when I googled the actual real price of it, it was $40 vlogging ring light stand that I got for $7, and then I got this one for $5.99 that goes on the desk. So I've been getting good deals on like my vlogging equipment, which I really love. Like, your girl is really moving up, and I'm proud of myself. So I'm going to do a live stream. I'll probably check back in with you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I want to say welcome. And if you have been true and subscribed, I want to say welcome back. Okay, so good morning, guys. Remember I told you that I was going to do my live stream with my followers on Facebook. I did not go on TikTok live because it is hot in this house. Our furnace is out. AC is out, so our central air does not work. And we have appointments scheduled for a technician to come out, but they can't come out until Monday. And it is 83 degrees outside. It's roughly about 10 a.m. in the morning, and it's already hot. I have one chihuahua who's overheating, 2 cats who are overheating, and me and my daughter in our house. So I spoke with my live. They gave me some helpful tips on what size air unit I would need for the AC unit in my window. Since my central air isn't going to be repaired until Monday, we need some type of AC. Then they also told me I could do one that goes on the floor that plugs in. So we are headed to, not Walmart, probably do Home Depot maybe, or Lowe's, somewhere it's cheaper to get the AC unit, because I don't want to ball out for the AC unit, because once we get our central air working, I'm going to just package that back up, put it in my storage, and now refer to it again if my furnace goes out. Kind of like my portable heaters. When my heat went out in the winter, I had portable heaters to get us by. I still have those as an emergency in case that happens, and we're going to do that with the AC unit. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm headed to the store. Peace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I want to say welcome, and if you have been true and subscribed, I want to say welcome back. So I just wanted to say, like, I know I've been MIA quite a bit. Your girl has been really busy. Work has been busy. Just overall life things breaking down in the house. We have like a furnace that went out, and that affects our heat and our central air. So it's just been a lot going on. Then social media on Facebook. So your girl is trying to get back into the YouTube world and try to combine and merge it somehow. So I'm sorry that some of these next few videos will be choppy until I get back into the groove of things. So once I get back into the groove of things of like editing and getting back into all of that, then these will be more seamless, and we'll be back in the game. So, but anyway, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Saturday today. July 1st. Yep, July 1st and 10:36 a.m. So we are going to make pancakes, bacon, and then eggs, and then some coffee. Then that's probably it. That's, you know, we're having a late start today. So I have my griddle ready that I normally put, you know, make my pancakes and bacon and eggs on. It's just simple to clean it and be done with it. So I'll probably see you guys as I'm cooking. If you guys want to just tune in, then yeah, I think I'll just let you guys watch me. Why not? I don't know if I'm gonna get on Facebook Live either though. Let me see. Because I might get on Facebook Live and eat. That's what I might do. I'm so exhausted. Like, I feel like I'm about to pass out. Because all I've been doing is getting ready to film for you guys. And getting ready that I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So, let me see. Facebook. Oh, Facebook. Guys, do you like my new ring light? It's so tall. Then I got one that sits on the desk too. So this is my tall one that I'm going to use. Maybe I should just put it over here. So we going to, oh, but you guys ain't going to be able to see. It would have been better off over there. But I feel like they're too close. How do we make this work? How do we make this work? Maybe you guys can. Okay, once I figure out how I'm going to sit you guys up and how I'm going to also cook on live, then I'll come back and, because I don't want to waste all my battery life. So I'll be back once I get you guys figured out how I'm going to set you up. I'll be back. All right. Okay, YouTube. I think I got it situated somewhat. My head's gonna be cut off. Oh, I have a ring light. Oh, but no, it won't be able to fit the camera, I think. I think it does have a piece for the camera, but I don't know. So, yeah, can you guys see? No, you can't see. All right, guys, we're gonna try to make it. You're gonna see a little bit. That's all I. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Shafiq. Good morning, Jerry. Good morning, Carlton. How's your day? How is it starting off for you? Hopefully you're having a good day. Good morning, Jerry. Good morning, Frankie. Good morning, Frankie. Carlos said I want to play. I know that's right, Carlos. Get in. Get in for a play, baby. Yes. Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is 12:49 a.m. I just got done putting out some more content and editing some videos, and then my YouTube video was posted tonight, so that is on the up and up. I have my alarm set to get up in the morning, go grocery shopping, and then I have to run a live in the morning to do a cook with me, and then we'll do some content later on tonight. So I got to get my alarm set. I am going to put the dishes away in the dishwasher, so when I do my cooking live in the morning, I am already set with a clean kitchen. This is how you continuously clean and do content, is make sure you just clean up after yourself after the day is over. Yes, it's 12:49 and I am tired as ever, but what would be more harder for me to get up in the morning, vlog my live stream, and the kitchen's not up to par? I'd rather get that done and have a clean kitchen in the morning. So if that means stay up a little bit extra tonight, then I'll do that. And the dishes is only a couple dishes from when I made breakfast, lunch, and our little dinner. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night, everyone. So, good morning, people. We are doing the makeup. I'm so sad I'm all out of my foundation. So I kind of have to use other ones to make my tone until I go get. Well, I've always had to use multiple foundations to get my skin tone anyway, so I don't even know why I'm saying this. At the end of the day, I would still have to mix it. I've never found a foundation, or maybe I'm not looking in the right areas, but I have not found a foundation that is just my skin tone where I didn't have to mix it. I know my skin tone is really weird, because I'm, sorry, my voice, well, my voice does that in the morning. And mind you guys, it's not even 7 a.m. yet. I'm getting ready because this is another content day, and the show must go on again. And I gotta head to the grocery store because my hangry teen will be getting up shortly, and she's gonna be like, "Where is the food, Mommy? Where is the food? I'm hungry. I'm hungry, Mommy." They're hungry every freaking second of the day. So my voice cracks in the morning, so that's just another FYI. She was actually supposed to be getting up to come with me, because sometimes it's hard to vlog, be the camera person, and pick up stuff in the aisle. Like, that's really hard. And some vloggers just set their cameras on the shelf and just move their cart and then just do it that way. But your girl will forget that her camera is on the shelf, and I will walk out of the store with it. So I'm just not a person that can do that, because I'm already very forgetful. So Andrea avoids anything that I could potentially leave it there, you know? So we don't do stuff like that. So that's why I love to have her come. Now, if she chooses not to get up in the next 30 minutes or so, I probably will leave her and just go. Because we have a live stream to do. I'm going to make breakfast on live stream for Facebook. I have not been going on TikTok because I don't think they care for cooking vlogs. They just like y'all to do makeup on there, which I could have did this on there, but I'm not doing a full glam look, so no point in me starting a YouTube live. No point in me starting a YouTube live.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe. over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, I want to say welcome, and if you have been true and subscribed, I want to say welcome back. Good morning. I know you guys were with me when I was doing my makeup. We're done. Got my fit on. It's like this pink color. I got this dupe Chanel bag. Ooh, she cute. We're gonna head to Walmart, pick up some groceries for breakfast. Then we're gonna have dinner. We're gonna have enchiladas. Then we're gonna cook on live, do some content, get our day situated. So come along with us to Walmart. Wait, how does the saying go? And you see, we're living in a world. How does it start off? Oh, anyway, YouTube, we'll see you in the next one. All right, YouTube, we are in the, what is up with my lens? Why is everything bright? It's like my settings is wrong. How do you fix that? Hold on, guys. All right, I fixed it. Now my lenses are dirty. Hold on, guys, hold on. One day we're gonna get it right. There we go, we're clear. Okay, guys, I just want to let you know we are in the car. We are going to head to the grocery store. So we will take you guys along the way. Sorry the quality of the other previous lives or videos will be off because I didn't know how to fix the... Now we're getting another message. What is that? But either way, I think the settings look good this time, a little bit better than what it was. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
We found the cilantros.
Do you like the red or the green? Because people
How are we
keep
supposed to
saying,
know?
people keep saying, how do you like your enchiladas? You can do the red sauce or you can do the green.
Red. I feel like red is like
The natural way?
Yeah, original.
Yeah, it really is the original way. Green sauce. But now I also want to try with the green too.
How are we gonna try both
You can have both.
together, or is you gonna do separate?
No, together.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's get both.
Oh, you definitely can. But should I do name brand or non-name brand? That's the problem here.
Cheaper the better.
Yeah. Oh, they don't have one that's generic for the green sauce?
Let's get both.
No, that's my daughter. Okay, we'll take it as a compliment. Oh, thank you. I know that's right. Yes.
Cause y'all can be sisters.
Yes. No, but everyone says that, so you are barking up the right tree there. Okay, we're gonna try both. We can't lose this way. If we get it wrong, we get it wrong. All right. All right, come on, kiddo. Okay. So we're gonna grab our eggs. Oh, eggs. Gotta make sure they're up to par.
They can hardly pick it out of there.
So we grabbed everything for our enchiladas. We had our chicken breast. We have our cheese, our enchilada sauce, our flour tortillas, our cilantro, and our lime.
My line.
Her lime. She likes lime on hers. I don't. So
And then what are we going to do after? Are we leaving or we still want to pick up more stuff?
we are going to leave.
Okay.
I think that's all. We
Oh, okay.
picked up all of our stuff. So
Yeah.
we'll see you in the next one. All right, welcome back. We are back here. We are home. We just made it back from the store. It is 9:38, still pretty early. We bought things to make enchiladas. Enchiladios. I don't even know if you guys can see. I need to fix my exposure or something. We got this enchilada sauce. My daughter likes kettle corn. We got tortitas, tortillas. We always get paper towel, nothing new with that. Some more enchilada sauce. I don't know how much we need. This is something new. Never tried making it, but your girl is going to make it. It's so easy, the steps to make it. I'm like, oh, I can handle this. I love trying something new. And we have syrup, the butter flavor. We got the pancakes mix. Pancake mix. We have corn tortillas. So we're gonna do some corn ones, and we're gonna do some flour ones. So, but I'm gonna vlog this one on YouTube, and then my live one for breakfast will be on Facebook streaming. So that's the only difference, is that's what we got going on. Alright guys, where's my bacon? I think she put my bacon up. Alright, so got that. I'm gonna use my griddle. Sorry guys if you can hear the fan behind you. Our AC went out. Our AC technician will not be out until Monday. They rescheduled on us multiple times, which is unfortunate because we definitely are hot in this dang house. So we would really like them to perform the services. So we are making it work. I have a window fan in the kitchen because it gets hot in my kitchen. Imagine not having heat in the summer. It's terrible. We love our central air. We need it. I was going to buy some window ACs, but not for $500. When I got to pay the technician to fix my actual AC, my central AC, so I'd rather spend the $500 there. So if you're wondering why I didn't get a window AC, it's because it's $500 at my local store, and I already got to pay the technician about $500. So I would rather do that than buy an AC when the central air, they're going to be coming on Monday. So that's kind of what we got going on, guys. We made it back. I'm a little late for my live stream. Well, I told them I'll be live at 10:30. So it's only 9:30, so I'm an hour early. I'm gonna get situated and get prepped because they love to see me kind of cook on live, get my griddle ready, get my just get my setup ready, and then we'll live stream. I will see you guys later. I gotta make some reels after this, so we'll eat breakfast. Remember I told you I get my day plan on what content I'm gonna put out. Then I cook for my daughter, then do some reels, then hop back on here. So I'm gonna try to intertwine YouTube in the mix. So, but anyway, we're back. I will see you guys in the next one. I probably will turn it on as I am vlogging my live stream. I'll try to turn back on YouTube so you guys can see something. Let me see. I would have to set it up like that for you guys, but we'll figure it out. So see you guys in the next one. All right, so we are here and our chicken is boiling. So I'm gonna just continue to keep on like shredding it apart and then putting my seasoning in there. So that's what I'm gonna continue to do right now. So I'll get back on here once I'm putting things together. All right, so I don't know if you guys can see me, but maybe I could turn on the ring light behind it. Will that help give some light? Yeah, we love ring lights, yeah. Okay, so we have our chicken being shredded up right now, so it can go for our inside of our. So we're gonna go inside our enchiladas. But I'm making sure everything's shredded. We don't want no big pieces. That's the key word I heard. We grabbed our foil pan from Dollar Tree. We just made it back from Dollar Tree right now. So that's on the up and up. Oh, I should have grabbed a can opener. My can opener sucks. So grab my foil pan. I'm gonna continue shredding this up, and I'll come back on here and we'll go through the next step. So be right back. So we did our chicken breast, put that in the crock pot, put our seasoning in there, like our taco seasoning, pepper, then garlic and onion powder. Then we'll put our package of enchilada seasoning, which is this packet right here. Then we have of course our enchilada sauce. We have our tortitas and our corn tortillas as well. Now that everything is shredded up in here, I am now going to work on the mixture and get my refried beans out, get that on the stove, put a little bit of this chicken broth into it so it can loosen up the refried beans, because you know that can get a little bit thick. So you use some of that chicken broth to loosen it up. Then we'll add it to our mixture and we'll go from there. And we'll get the stuff in the oven. So here is our refried beans. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to open up these cans, get you guys situated, and then we'll be back on here. So, see you in the next one. Alright, so we did get our can. So, we drained most of the... I drained most of the grease or the chicken broth. Put it in here. And then we'll add this into there to loosen it up, and we'll just get the whisking it. Getting our mixture. Put it on low. Now we got the broth to boil. Now we're going to add our enchilada seasoning to the meat and then also to this mixture of the refried beans. Enchiladas. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this smells like enchiladas already. Yeah! You're looking good. This is good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Seasoning is on point. It tastes like enchiladas and it's only the chicken. Guys, this seasoning is there. Alright, so we turned off the crock pot. We no longer need that. I do want to add this now to my mixture. And then let this sit on the stove to cook some more. Hopefully I don't drop this. And it's only just me and my daughter, so we probably eat like a couple enchiladas a piece. Call it a day. Oh my God, this smells so good. I can't make this up, guys. All right, I'm gonna continue to simmer this meat and cook this meat on low. This is our filling. Ooh, it looks so good. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh, guys. It just tastes like, oh guys, this is so awesome. Look at the colors there. You guys, this looks phenomenal. All right, guys, I am going to now get myself situated with the two pans here. Try to bring you guys closer so you guys can see me roll this and kind of put this stuff together. And I gotta put some Mexican cheese in the middle of it. Maybe I'll do that now. Maybe I'll do that now while it's on the stove. So we have our cheese. Alright. This is what it looks like with the cheese now. I don't want to put too much cheese because it's going to have some on the top. So.
Get me underway. You can feel my flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Enchiladas. I hope I made this right. I mean, it was only some simple instructions here. We shall see. We shall see. The meat tastes good. Like, I really like how when you slow cook the chicken in your crock pot, then you shred it up after it's been sitting in the crock pot for hours. Then you put your enchilada seasoning. Chef kiss. Your refried beans, your taco seasoning, your garlic and onion powder.
Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucking Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas vicious, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga tripping like I got a Z and